Let's create an emulator so that we can run and check our app on the virtual devices. Also, we can run our application on our real devices. That means the real smartphones, Android smartphones. We can connect using a USB cable to our computer and then connect to Android Studio, then run directly to our Android device. But we also want emulator because we need to create emulators in a different time with different versions of Android or different sizes, because we need to check whether our app fits in all screens and all resolutions and runs correctly on any version, any Android version. So the process of creating an emulator is very simple. You have to go to the more actions and this virtual device manager, and from here you need to press create device button over here, and then you need to select any model from this list. But whatever model you choose, make sure that that has this Play Store app installed. So now I'm selecting Pixel 2 or maybe Pixel. Whenever you choose the device, choose carefully, because you have to watch out the resolution over here, because the higher the resolution, the higher the pressure on your graphics. So if you have built-in graphics, not external, then you should choose the lower resolution device. And if you have external graphics card installed in your machine, and then you should actually choose any one from this list. So I am choosing Pixel 2 from here, and then I'm selecting next. Now I have to choose the system image. That means operating system version that I want to install on that emulator or virtual device. And from there I want to download that, or I have to download the version from here, or system image, and I will download this one. I think this is the latest. And if I download this, it will take some time. Once again, approximately 1 gigabyte of size. So give me some time and I will be back when it is downloaded. System image has been downloaded. Now hit finish, and now I am selecting this system image over here, and then it is saying another important information over here. You see that it says recommendation HAXM is not installed. Okay, so we need to install HAXM also. But let's finish this process. So click next, and you can also provide a name for your emulator and change other settings from here. And then if you hit finish, then you will see your latest emulator in this list. But let's install the HAXM first. So I'm closing this window. I'm going to more actions once again, and SDK manager and SDK tools, and from here I need to install this Intel x86 emulator accelerator HAXM installer. So let's check that and hit apply, and then hit OK, and just click next. Click yes, and then hit finish, and finish also, and apply, and OK. So I think we're now ready to create our new Flutter project, and we also run the new project on our newly created emulator, and if everything goes right, then you will start our development or app building from the next module.